Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your asset allocation with BlackRock, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what asset allocation means for your investment strategy. Determine your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Assess your current investment portfolio to identify any gaps or imbalances. Research BlackRock's investment products and services that align with your objectives. Consider the various asset classes BlackRock offers, such as equities, bonds, and alternative investments. Visit the BlackRock website to explore their tools and resources for investors. Utilize the BlackRock asset allocation model to gauge recommended allocations based on your risk profile. Examine BlackRock's iShares ETFs that cater to different strategies and asset classes. Review historical performance data and risk assessments for selected investments. Consult BlackRock's educational materials and webinars for deeper insights into their investment philosophy. Open an investment account through a brokerage that provides access to BlackRock's products. Allocate your assets according to the insights gained from your research and modeling. Rebalance your portfolio regularly to maintain your desired asset allocation. Monitor market trends and economic indicators that may affect your investment strategy. Adjust your allocations as needed while keeping your long-term goals in mind. Seek professional advice if you're unsure about your asset allocation decisions. Stay informed on BlackRock's latest market insights and updates through their publications. Evaluate your investment performance periodically to ensure alignment with your financial goals. Consider your tax implications as you manage your asset allocation over time. Keep an eye on fees associated with BlackRock's investment products to maximize your returns. Commit to a disciplined investment strategy to weather market fluctuations effectively. By following these steps, you can secure your asset allocation with BlackRock effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.